Welcome to this video. This is how to create a custom piece with your excess epoxy. This is how I learned all of my color recipes. I like that bronze, black, and white mixed together. How do you make high-end natural stone? Well, the reason they call it high-end is because it looks different than most stuff that you see. So that's what you gotta not be afraid to do, is just get in and work a piece. You know, we're a 1/16 of an inch thick on the epoxy, yet it looks like you can see a mile into it. Stay tuned, enjoy the video. I don't like this one. This was something I tried the Galaxy on or something. Look at that. Do you like it?
I think you can make it better.
Okay, let's make it better. Now this is a pro tip. If you have an old surface in your home, or maybe even a piece of art that you got at, you know, Goodwill or the thrift store or something like that. Maybe it's in a good frame, but you don't like the art. Heck, you can pour right over existing art, over existing countertops. You can make signs. You can make stuff with your kids during homeschool. You can create anything using these techniques to spice up and spruce up any space. We get contacted by TV shows frequently about, you know, how to do these techniques. And it just amazes me. This is like magic, you know, when people have not done this for the first time and they actually try. A, they can't believe how easy it is, and B, they're hooked, they're addicted. It's so much fun. Okay, I got some clear right here. Maybe I'll save that. Let's start with this blue. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of that blue down. It's got a little bit of white spray paint from our last piece, and that's okay. This is a really cool technique. Tell me these colors don't freak you out.
I'm freaked.
Okay, watch, man. You could do this all over a piece and get like a crazy result. I just don't want to mess up our contrast piece here. Look at this one we just poured. Look at how that's coming out. All right, here we go, buddy. Green.
Oh boy.
That's dark bronze. And some gold. Okay, you ready for this, man? I know what you're thinking, man. My goal in this video is to freak you out and then earn your trust back. You think I can do it? All right. Here we go, man. Let's grab white and black, which I put in every single piece I do typically. Now what I'm doing here is just layers, man. I'm just doing layers, okay? What I like about this too is, you know, I could watch this video when I'm done, and if I like this recipe, I could transfer these same techniques to a very large piece, you know? And I'm at the end of my working time. I mixed this epoxy up a long time ago. And so I would have so much time to recreate this over another piece. Now I got the epoxy really warm because I just torched it, so it's gonna flow nice for me. Now if you're doing a large piece, you just break that piece up into sections. I'm burying some of this gold off my paint stick right into that white, and because it's flowing, it's gonna do some fun things for me. The gold wants to float on top, so I really need to work it and embed it into the epoxy if I want to make it look neat. I'm not typically a fan of gold, but with green I am. Okay, I'm just drizzling some very light tinted clear over these veins that I've done. Okay. And I'm going to torch it yet again. I like going different directions here, you know, but you don't want to make it look man-made. That's kind of hard sometimes when you go wild directions. I'm just going to push over that black a little bit. Wow. Needs a little color right in this green spot. It's too green. Let's push some of this out a little bit. How do you make high-end natural stone? Well, the reason they call it high-end is because it looks different than most stuff that you see. It looks unique. There's something fun and interesting about it. So that's what you gotta not be afraid to do, is just get in and work a piece. Make some contrast in it. I think I'm done. I like it. You know, I like the little gold deposits in it. I like that bronze, black and white mixed together. It creates like a taupe or a, you know, kind of an earth tone deposit in there. I like all the green. I like the translucence of this. You know, you see down through those layers that I created. It's very deep. You know, we're 1/16 of an inch thick on the epoxy, yet it looks like you can see a mile into it. Guys, what do you think? Did you think I was crazy by spraying that spray paint in there? Did you see that I stuck with it? Yeah, this is just a little 18-inch by 12-inch sample board. No big deal. But these same techniques, they translate to large kitchens, even to projects that could be a shower wall. You know, you could do this system on anything that you want to make resemble natural stone. That's why it's called Stone Coat. It's like a coating of stone over anything. Okay, I want your vote. I got a green and gold piece that you just saw, and then I got my high contrast black and white, and then, I don't know, I got this blue madness. This is really cool. So what's your vote? Blue madness, high contrast, or the green and gold? Guys, make sure you subscribe so you get notified the next time we make a video that could unlock the secret to making your house the next level. Hope you enjoyed this, guys, and remember, until next time, you got this. We'll see you on the next video.